Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2 uploads in 2 weeks. I don't know who I am, but I am so proud of myself. We are trying to get back into a routine, and today I'm going to be doing a mani with me video. My nails have been so overdue for a proper manicure. If you watched my last video, you saw that I was wearing press-ons for a couple of weeks, and while that was fun, you know, there's nothing like real polish. My nails are pretty short, but I cut them all down and now I'm just filing them into a short square shape before polishing. Now, I don't know how many of you guys have kids, but my hopes for keeping my nails in great shape while I had a kid were so much higher than my reality. It really is very, very challenging. Not to mention having longer nails obviously poses a little bit of a challenge when it comes to changing your baby, bathing your baby, carrying your baby, feeding your baby. They're just kind of in the way. So while I don't think it's impossible to have, a little length on your nails, my super long almonds are just not practical or functional right now. So we're going to rock the shorties for a little bit while I try to get a little more growth before the holidays. To me, there is nothing like just a beautiful long red nail for Christmas. So in my head, that's kind of like my goal. That's what I'm working towards. And I'm going to try to do a few Mani with me videos over the next few weeks as we move through the fall. And hopefully we see a little progress, we see a little growth. I'm using the Hansen Color Therapy Strengthening Base Coat today because I am going to be using a really dark polish. Now that we are in full fall swing, I am just craving all the delicious dark colors, and I recently got some new polishes from Lacquer, and I'm going to be using one of them today. Stay tuned, this color is just stunning. I think I'm probably in the market for a new base coat, something that's going to help protect my nails, hopefully strengthen, repair them. If you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. I have nothing on my radar at the moment, and I would love to try something new. I painted my nails on a Wednesday night. My son was just not going down for bed. I had everything set up, and once he fell asleep, I put him in his crib, and he woke right up. So this manicure I'm painting at like 10 o'clock at night, but you know what? He finally had fallen asleep. I had a little quiet time, a little moment to myself, and I enjoyed every single moment of it. So this is the color I'm using. It's this really rich, deep navy blue. The color is called Gumption. But how beautiful is this shade? I painted my nails Wednesday night before the Giants game Thursday night, which they ended up losing to the Dallas Cowboys, but I thought it was a good color to wear to root for our team. You can tell one coat goes on a little streaky and a little sheer. I found myself needing to use a little more polish than I did for that first coat. It really requires a good amount to get the coverage you need, but 2 coats really did clean it all up and make it look absolutely perfect. I have a really hard time when I polish my shorter nails. I don't know about you guys, but I think there's just so much more skin exposed. The entire perimeter of your nail is surrounded by skin, so that's 4 areas for you to potentially get polish on, whereas when your nails are a little bit longer, the free edge is just far enough away from the skin where you don't have to worry about it. But when you are working with shorter nails, it is a little bit more difficult, but we're making it work. So any polish that I'm getting on the skin here, I will go back at the end and clean up with some remover and a brush. But as you can see, this second coat is so deep. It really brings this color to life. This is a fabulous fall and winter color, and I'm glad I decided to try it. It kind of is exactly what I was in the mood for. I didn't know what color I wanted, but surprise, this was it. Once the polish feels dry to the touch, I'm going in with the Glisten and Glow top coat. Now this had been recommended to me so many times. I've had a lot of requests for reviews. I had a lot of people ask if I had ever tried it, and I finally bought a bottle a few months ago, and I've been using it religiously. So any manicure I do on myself, I've been using the Glisten and Glow, and wow, it really does live up to the hype. If you guys don't have this polish, I would highly recommend ordering yourself a bottle. It dries nearly instantly. The shine is there. It applies beautifully. I've had it for a few months. I've been using it a ton, and it hasn't gotten gloopy yet, so that's exciting as well. It's also incredibly affordable. I want to say it was definitely under $10. I don't remember exactly how much, but 10 out of 10 recommend. They did a beautiful job with this top coat. It kind of reminds me of the Sèche Vite, but better. It's like a combination between Sèche Vite and Out the Door. So once that top coat is dry, I went in with my cleanup brush and a little remover to just get some of that paint off the skin. Anything I didn't get will come off in the shower or, next time I wash my hands. I'm not too worried about it. Obviously, we're not working with picture perfect nails right now, so it's a-okay. After the cleanup, I'm going in with some sweet almond cuticle oil just to rehydrate the cuticles and the skin around my nails. It's just the perfect finishing touch. And that is it for this manicure. I really love how these turned out. I feel like I'm ready to participate in all the fall things, and I'm looking forward to enjoying the shorter nails for a little bit and hopefully growing them out over the next few weeks. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I used I will link in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you're currently wearing on your nails, because I'm very curious what colors you guys are loving for fall. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!